What happens to your body when you replace 2 meals a day with smoothies for 21 days? In this video, we're doing an honest review of the 21-day smoothie diet, a popular guided program created by health coach Drew Sgoutas. This is not a weight loss miracle or a strict juice cleanse. Instead, it's a structured 3-week plan that replaces 2 meals a day with nutrient-packed smoothies, plus 1 solid meal and healthy snacks. The goal? To help you lose weight, reduce cravings, and build better eating routines, without feeling miserable. Stick around, because at the end I'll tell you where to find the official program link if you want to try it. So how does it actually work? Each day, you replace breakfast and lunch with a smoothie made from leafy greens, fruits, healthy fats, and a plant-based protein source. Then you eat a regular, balanced dinner, like grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies. You also get 1 or 2 snacks, think apple slices with almond butter or a small handful of nuts. The program includes a detailed shopping list, over 30 smoothie recipes, and a 21-day schedule so you know exactly what to do each day. No guesswork. No calorie counting. What makes this different from other diets is the focus on real, whole foods. You're not drinking only juice, you get fiber, vitamins, and protein that keep you full and energized. Many people report better digestion, clearer skin, and less bloating by the end of week 1. Let's talk about results, because that's what you really want to know. According to the program's own data and thousands of user reviews, most people lose between 5 and 10 pounds in the 21 days. But the real benefit isn't just the number on the scale. Participants often say they stop craving sugar and processed food, their energy levels become more stable, and they learn how to prepare healthy meals quickly. The program also includes a transition guide for after the 21 days, so you don't gain everything back. You gradually reintroduce solid meals while keeping the habits you built. A quick note: this is not a medical treatment. Always consult your doctor before starting any new diet, especially if you have health conditions or are pregnant. To be completely fair, no program is perfect. First, you'll need a good blender, it makes a huge difference. Second, the first 2 or 3 days can be tough. If you're used to heavy breakfasts, your body might feel a bit low on energy as it adjusts. That's normal. Third, social eating gets tricky. Going out for lunch with friends won't fit the plan. Most people start on a Monday and plan ahead. Finally, while the smoothies taste great, some people miss chewing solid food at breakfast and lunch. The program acknowledges that and offers a flexible version. You can swap one smoothie for a real meal if needed. So it's not extreme, but it does require some commitment. To sum it up, the 21-day smoothie diet is one of the more sensible, science-based detox-style programs out there. It's not a quick fix, but a structured reset that actually teaches you how to eat better. If you're curious and ready to give it a try, you'll find the link to the official program in the description below this video. That's where you can see the full recipes, shopping lists, and the exact daily schedule. If you decide to try it, leave a comment and let us know how your first smoothie tastes. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health, one sip at a time.